Welcome back to my 1 minute cloud computing. In this session, we'll be talking about the depth of the initiative and the direction of the initiative which is taken by the Indian government under its GI Cloud Meghraj project. The Government of India Cloud Initiative will focus on setting up an ecosystem for cloud adoption by the government, leveraging the existing infrastructure. See, cloud is a new model, but however, the Indian government has already invested a lot of money in building e-services for its population. Now, the approach is to build a cloud system which will be built above and on the existing e-services so that an ecosystem will be built so that the existing assets can be harnessed. In addition, the Department of Electronics and Information Technology has established a working group to recommend an overall policy framework for cloud services in the country. See, cloud computing is all about service model, and now the cloud computing system or the ecosystem developed by the government would convert every business activity and government activity as a service. Now, the ecosystem will help government to run its operation through a myriad of services while also helping the other states and other entities to interact and take advantage of this infrastructure.